There is a somber mood in the community of Redgate close to Cave District in Westmoreland, as the residents are struggling to come to the term with the death of a chef supervisor Rowan Thumper Simpson, who was gunned down in the front of a popular resort in Negril on Monday night. Reports are that the 48-year-old had just left work at the resort at the time of the incident. Donald Simpson, Rowan's cousin, said he became worried when he did not get home at his usual time and feared something had gone wrong. The 62-year-old man said he raised the now deceased as his son and is saddened by his gruesome death. He is a jovial person. Him go out to work and come back. Another resident said the community shaken up man. Everybody a ball. A good youth. Him see blind, ear and deaf. The police have not given a motive for Simpson's murder. However, a senior police source said his murder appears to be a hit. Reports from the police are that about 10:20 p.m. Simpson completed his shift and was entering his car when he was pounced upon by unknown assailants in a Toyota Axio. The men then exited the vehicle and opened gunfire, hitting him several times before fleeing the scene. The now deceased was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations are ongoing. Nain High School in St. Elizabeth has been rocked by the death of its electrical technology teacher, Niscoy Briscoe, who succumbed Monday to injuries he received in a motorcycle accident earlier this month. Briscoe is the second teacher to have died in St. Elizabeth since the start of the year. Reports reaching Observer Online are that 27-year-old educator crashed while driving his motorcycle along the Prospect Main Road in the parish on January 8. Nain High Principal Stephen Sheriff said Briscoe's death had left his students and colleagues devastated. The staff and the students are still devastated. They are still devastated after we received the news on Monday morning of his passing, Sheriff told Observer Online on Wednesday afternoon. We are taking it very hard. The students are taking it hard, he lamented. The headmaster said the Ministry of Education provided grief counseling to the students and staff who are struggling to come to terms with the teacher's passing. He was very good at his subject area. Very helpful teacher, very cooperative.